Asyncio versus Twisted in Python.
Asyncio and Twisted are two popular frameworks for asynchronous programming in Python. Both allow developers to write non-blocking code, but they differ in their approach, features, and use cases.
Core concepts.
Asyncio is Python's built-in asynchronous I/O framework introduced in Python 3.4. Twisted is an external event-driven networking engine that predates Asyncio by many years. One, Asyncio uses the async await syntax introduced in Python 3.5. 2. The Asyncio.run function creates an event loop and runs the coroutine. 3. Await is used to pause execution until the awaited coroutine completes. One, Twisted uses the reactor pattern for event handling. 2. Callbacks are used to manage asynchronous operations. 3. The reactor manages the event loop.
Event loop management.
Asyncio offers greater control over the event loop with simpler syntax. One, Asyncio.gather runs multiple coroutines concurrently. 2. Tasks complete independently, but the results are collected together. 3. The event loop management is handled transparently. One, Twisted uses deferred objects to represent future results. 2. Deferred list combines multiple deferred objects. 3. Callbacks must be explicitly managed with .add callback.
Network programming.
Both frameworks excel at network programming, but with different approaches. One, Asyncio often uses companion libraries like AIP. 2. Context managers async with handle resource cleanup automatically. 3. The code resembles synchronous code but runs asynchronously. One, Twisted includes built-in HTTP capabilities with getPage. 2. Error handling uses the airbag pattern. 3. Callbacks are chained to process results.
Protocol implementation.
Twisted has a more comprehensive protocol library, while Asyncio focuses on providing primitives. 1. Asyncio provides streaming protocols via StreamReader and StreamWriter. 2. Server.serve forever runs the server until it's canceled. 3. Connection handling is defined in a coroutine function. 1. Twisted uses class-based protocol implementations. 2. The transport object handles the connection details. 3. Protocol factories create protocol instances for each connection.
Error handling.
Both frameworks have different approaches to error handling. 1. Asyncio uses standard Python try except for error handling. 2. Exceptions propagate naturally through await expressions. 3. This approach is more familiar to Python developers. One, Twisted uses the airbag pattern for error handling. 2. Errors are represented by failure objects. 3. Adderback registers error handlers similar to try except.
Integration with existing code.
Asyncio generally integrates more easily with modern Python code. One, Asyncio.to thread runs blocking functions in a thread pool. 2. This allows seamless integration with synchronous code. 3. Helps with gradual migration to async code. 1. Twisted's defer to thread runs blocking functions in separate threads. 2. Results are passed to callbacks when ready. 3. This pattern requires more boilerplate than Asyncio's approach.
Important points to keep in mind.
Twisted has been around much longer and has a more mature ecosystem for certain protocols. Asyncio code tends to be more readable with async await syntax. Twisted offers more built-in protocols and utilities. Twisted might be preferred for complex networking applications or when specific protocol implementations are needed. Thanks for watching.